you know, again, we gotta. Do we just want covers? Do we want the right covers? You know.
What are you trying to do for interior on something? What are you working on?
Oh, the 59, the class car. The actual class car.
Well, yeah, the seat.
Okay.
Oh wow, okay.
But because that's cylinder number 1.
And that's actually not too pretty.
That is the least pretty one.
Yeah.
It's probably getting a little oil contamination.
Well, I mean,
there's a little water. That's definitely from water. Yeah, you look in there. It's.
If you look, that's oil. Because the seals in the turbo are bad.
They're not that great.
So not only is it being sucked in through here, but it's probably also going to cause an issue with the air filter.
Yeah.
How bad, I don't know, because too much oil in an air filter sucks in dirt. It's not going to allow the engine to breathe properly, no matter what you do.
This is probably going to go to Coachella Valley Motor Works.
Yeah, can we?
Yeah.
Can we?
We're kind of highly recommending it at this point.
We'll have the boys sell it.
Yeah.
For you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro.
Because
Yeah.
this.
They did pretty good.
What's the torque spec on that, Bob?
Good and tight.
And it was, I mean, I
23 Newton meters.
Make sure your finger's not covering the thing.
No, it's good.
I know.
I can see all of you.
People want to see all of us.
Of course.
And it was cute. I mean, that's the problem with women getting a car.
Yeah, that thing fucking fought me earlier.
No, I don't. I mean, I have no trouble going up the mountain. But
We get this
that's
on,
what
and we'll put
Jim
all
in the
this
conference
nonsense
is
back.
almost usually
And,
get mad.
you get to do your computer magic,
that
sir.
car's cute. Oh,
I get to push buttons. You get to play with the thing.
It's cute.
I'm gonna go
I
boy.
always did PDIs with it.
What is it?
53857.
53,
It'll be different when I put the
857.
standard up. Because the mileage on the dashboard is never what it truly is.
Yeah.
What?
How far do you think it'll be up, Scotty? Like
10 to 20 miles
Oh, okay.
at most. 10 to 20 miles. That's kind of the average. Because they do a run-through test before they actually hook everything up. So that they can bench test the motor, make sure there's no issues, no knocks, no pings, no tings, so they know if it's got to go back to the scrapper.
Oh yeah. Boy, I
Great,
just found a
Scott.
really good one at the dollar store. Yeah.
What am I
We're
showing
like
you?
a doctor.
At 99 cents only, they sell everything for, nothing's a fucking dollar anymore.
No.
It's like, maybe you should change that name.
You realize how much it costs in the since started changing.
I mean, if you could just say
Let's go out there with a shark.
Catching them out of wind
just cut off the
100% see.
Yeah. It's catching on the shield. Because it caught, this fucker caught on the shield. When
Are you finding something else?
What?
Oh, sorry.
Did you find something else?
No, it's just being a pain in the ass.
Too
You
late.
okay?
Now, blind the person working on the car.
Here.
Wow!
This stupid fucking thing.
I can do that, but I can't turn off the
You want
damn
me to hold the
light.
big black thing?
Please hold the big black thing, oh girl.
I'll take care of that.
It's not the color you like, but
No, you know, I'm open-minded.
And they go, thank you, ma'am. That's better. Thank you, ma'am.
and I'm gonna pop that over.
Alexa for Southerners. Oh.
We get to hook this up, and then we do your computer magic,
Yep.
and we are done.
I thought you were doing brakes.
No.
Oh. We were gonna
Now that we know she's getting rid of it, we're leaving it exactly as it is.
Yeah, there's no point in
The old,
spending all this fucking time.
It's the old adage of spend less, make more.
yeah.
Yes.
No, I had this grand idea I was going to keep that Mini Cooper, and I did new brakes and tires on it.
Right.
And then I realized I was going to be able to stay working from home, and I sold the fucking thing. And I took it to CarMax, and I was like, I just gave you $1,000 worth of free stuff.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
God
One time,
damn it.
we took my friend's Honda. It was like a 2000 Civic. This was years ago. We took it to CarMax. And it had a little knock, right?
Yeah.
I just filled it with gear oil, and they're like, "Oh, the engine's fine," and I'm sitting there like, You dumb
Like I didn't even want to
motherfuckers.
open the hood. I couldn't believe it.
Gear oil and sawdust.
Yeah.
I mean, I've heard of stuff like that. Yeah.
Yeah, we